needed some new drill bits, so I have ordered a drill bit set, and let's take a look. It says it's fragile, handle with care. It says don't fall, not pressure. I didn't know drill bits were fragile. I'm not sure what don't fall, not pressure means. I'll try to comply with these. Let's see what we got here. I ordered the Bosch set of drill bits. They have a good sale right now on a package called the X33, 33-piece drill bit set. It's a pretty small box. The packaging or the advertisement made it look a lot bigger, but it is a pretty small box. It looks pretty handy to keep all the tool bits in. Let's take a look. I'm going to need to, it says it's original X-line for Bosch. So it's helpful to have the right tools, to have drill bits around for when you need to make cuts in different objects, and different drill bits are used for different types of material. That's one of the most important things, is having the right drill bits for what you need to drill into. So let's take a look and see here what we got. Alright, so we've got some various drill bits here. They are the Masonry drill bits, and then the twist drill, and then the Carpentry drill bit over here. Let's see, careful. When you pull these up, it should rotate up, yeah. Okay, so Masonry drill bits. You'll notice that these are bright silver in color, and that they have at the end a much wider flange than the rest of the drill bit. So this makes a really wide hole in the cement or masonry that you're cutting a hole into, and it's to create a hole for the plug that will go in. So as you find a plug that would go into the hole, you're looking at this plug and making sure that this end will clear out a hole big enough for this plug, but not too big. So sizing it up right, and then after you put the plug, then you'll drive your screw. So these would be Masonry drill bits. And then it's important and helpful, like on your drill, to have it in the hammer mode. So if your drill has two modes, a hammer or just normal drilling, use the hammer mode when drilling into masonry. That will help a lot. The next thing are called twist drills. And these are for metal materials like aluminum or steel. They remove all the chips away from the material fast. So if you're drilling into some metal, these would be your twist drill. You should use this, not a masonry bit, not the carpentry drill bits. So then finally would be the carpentry drills, and these have a little point on the end, you see. So you do not want to use this into cement, concrete. This would just be for something soft like wood, and that's so that it doesn't wander around. You know where you want your hole to be drilled, so that little hole can be right on your mark, or maybe you've made a little prick into the material. That little point there, we'll put it down in the right spot and keep it there, and allow you to drill your hole in. So knowing the right drill for the right material. The carpentry bits have a big wide end on it to open it up at the end. The twist drills just look kind of like normal drill bits, as you see. And it'd be fine to use this on wood, but this would be for metal. And then the carpentry drill bits have the point on the very end. These all have a little bit of oil on, and that's really important to keep them from rusting. So after using it, cleaning your drill bits and allow it to have a little bit of oil on to keep it from rusting. It's really nice. They give you also a countersink. That's this little tool here. Okay, it's going to be hard to get out, looks like. Well, so you can see it's got a really wide angle on it, and that just creates a little hole at the top of the material. So if you're drilling a hole in here, but you want your screw to go down flush, you would use a countersink just to widen out the hole at the very top. You're not drilling a hole with this, you're just making a little gap at the very top. Then you got your screwdriver bits, you've got some nut drivers, an extension holder here. That would just be used for the drill bits if you need extra length beyond just putting it into the drill bit itself. Cool. So this is very handy to have all these drill bits and these drivers in a nice little set like this. I'm excited to get started. I've got some holes to drill, but also this will be useful to have these different drill bits for different materials. Check it out. I think I can say I'd recommend it because it's so handy and nicely organized. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.